Be ready. Start. The important issue which arises for consideration in the referred matter is whether a police officer is bound to register a first information report FIR upon receiving any information relating to commission of a cognizable offence under section 154 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. In short, the code or the police officer has the power to conduct a preliminary inquiry in order to test the veracity of such information before registering the same. A two-judge bench of this court in Lalita Kumari versus Government of Uttar Pradesh and others 2008 7 SCC 164, after noticing the disparity in registration of FIRs by police officers on case-to-case basis across the country, issued a notice to the Union of India, the chief secretaries of all the states and union territories, and director generals of police stroke commissioners of police, to the effect that if steps are not taken for registration of FIRs immediately and the copies thereof are not handed over to the complainants, they may move the magistrates concerned by filing complaint petitions for appropriate directions to the police to register the case immediately and for apprehending the accused persons, failing which contempt proceedings must be initiated against such delinquent police officers if no sufficient cause is shown. On the other hand, learned senior counsel for the state of Maharashtra submitted that an officer in charge of a police station is not obliged under law, upon receipt of information disclosing commission of a cognizable offense, to register a case. Rather, the discretion lies with him in appropriate cases to hold some sort of preliminary inquiry in relation to the veracity or otherwise of the accusations made in the report. We have carefully analyzed various judgments delivered by this court in the last several decades. We clearly discern divergent judicial opinions of this court on the main issue whether, under section 154 CRPC, a police officer is bound to register an FIR when a cognizable offense is made out, or he, police officer, has an option, discretion, or latitude of conducting some kind of preliminary inquiry before registering the FIR. The learned counsel appearing for the Union of India and different states have expressed totally divergent views even before this court. The issue which has arisen for consideration in these cases is of great public importance. In view of the divergent opinions in a large number of cases decided by this court, it has become extremely important to have a clear enunciation of law and adjudication by a larger bench of this court for the benefit of all concerned, the courts, the investigating agencies, and the citizens. Consequently, we request the Honorable the Chief Justice to refer these matters to a constitution bench of at least 5 judges of this court for an authoritative judgment. Every information relating to the commission of a cognizable offense, if given orally to an officer in charge of a police station, shall be reduced to writing by him or under his direction and be read over to the informant, and every such information, whether given in writing or reduced to writing as aforesaid, shall be signed by the person giving it, and the substance thereof shall be entered in a book to be kept by such officer in such form as the state government may prescribe in this behalf. Thank you.